Hi, my name is Palav Kumar. I'm the manager at Anisa's buffet restaurant, Newcastle Quayside. Gone are the days where people are writing things down and keeping a big filing cabinet. Now everything has just become computerized and everything is on OneDrive. So if anything, we need anything at all, any records, whether it's staff training records, whether it's staff attendance, whether it's staff rota, whether it's food temperatures, everything is just compiled onto this app, which is the most brilliant thing about it. It's had a massive impact in the kitchen, which is obviously your engine in any restaurants or hospitality trade. Everything comes from the kitchen. Most important thing is food and hygiene, and to make sure we keep on top of that. Obviously, being a buffet restaurant, we obviously need to track the temperatures of the hot holdings as well that are outside, so to maintain them to a certain level. As customers are watching us take temperatures, it looks a bit more professional on the eye as well, and that's what people like to see. The Face ID recognition on attendance. So far, it's been very good. It's a simple, Face ID recognition, and you clocked on. And there are lots of other little things we can add on to it to make our staff aware on a daily basis, giving them daily roles as soon as they log in. So this app has given us the opportunity to spend more time in other areas, so that gives us time to concentrate on other things, for instance our customers, and developing new food menus and